Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis and definitely want to get things updated here. Particular, I wasn't planning on it, but again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So the reason I want to do it is the final 30 minutes. Right there, you can see volume all of a sudden just kind of jumped back upwards in the final portion of the day. Now, the price itself really didn't do anything, which just kind of creates a type situation. And I like type situations as a trader. So we'll see if this final 30 minutes means anything or not. So don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that just because there is a volume increase during the final 30 minutes and that the price really didn't do anything, that this thing's guaranteed to, go up to $5 tomorrow. Not saying that, but it is very interesting when you see, volume increase like that and then see prices not really do that much. So we'll see if that, leads to anything or not. Leads to anything or not, how do you define that? Well, the first step in, the right direction in terms of bullishness would be in regards to this trend line right here, which is measuring kind of it is measuring the highs. And you can see that over the past couple of days, the highs have been getting lower and lower, which is a bearish sign. However, there is always another sign to the coin. The other side is, while sure the bears have made some progress, the bulls are also making progress via this uptrend line here. Or if you just want to use the overall moving average, which is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which now at this point in time has a very nice steady upward slope to it. For those of you that have been watching the videos in the past, you know that we've been tracking this for a while, and it's come a long way since we first started, to note it curling upwards. But now it's got a good steady slope for it. So yeah, sure, this is bearish technically that the price is putting in lower highs, but there's also lots of bullish things going on in terms of the short-term trend. So if you want to sound fancy with your friends or whatever, you could put the let's try that again. You could put this trend line right here, and you could call this, a symmetrical triangle if you wanted to. Point being, it's kind of like a coil, right? It's getting tighter and tighter as time goes by. So the question now becomes, which way is it going to ultimately break out? We'll have to sit back and see, but whether or not the final 30 minutes of today is leading to something, we're going to get our question answered here relatively quickly, as this whole pattern is starting to run out of room. There's not much distance left before the price kind of has to make up its mind. So good start to the week. We'll see what the bulls have in store for the remainder of the week. Still 4 days left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.